The life of a corn plant begins with a single seed nestled in the earth. This tiny kernel holds the promise of a new beginning, a fresh start in the cycle of life. After the last frost of winter, when the soil is warm and ready, farmers plant the seeds. They prepare the fields meticulously, ensuring the ground is fertile and welcoming. They sow them in neat rows, ensuring each seed has enough space to grow. This careful spacing is crucial for the plants to thrive and reach their full potential. The seeds are buried in the darkness, awaiting the signal to sprout. In this hidden world, the magic of germination begins. The warmth of the sun and the moisture in the soil coax the seed to life. These elements work in harmony to awaken the dormant seed. This is the beginning of the corn plant's journey. From a tiny seed, a robust plant will emerge, reaching for the sky. The corn seed, seemingly inert, holds within it the potential for a towering plant. It's a marvel of nature, a small package with immense possibilities. It's a testament to the power of nature, a tiny package of life ready to unfurl. Each seed is a miracle waiting to happen. The farmer plays a vital role, providing the optimal environment for the seed to begin its journey. Their dedication and hard work set the stage for growth. With each seed sown, the promise of a bountiful harvest is planted. The cycle of life continues, bringing hope and sustenance to the world. Beneath the surface, a transformation occurs. The seed absorbs water from the soil, swelling and softening. This triggers germination, the miraculous process of a seed coming to life. A tiny root, the radicle, emerges first, anchoring the seedling into the earth and drawing up water and nutrients. Soon after, the shoot, called the plumule, pushes its way upward, driven by an unseen force. This first sprout, pale and fragile, is a testament to the plant's determination to survive. It carries within it all the genetic information needed to grow into a mature corn plant. This early stage is critical as the seedling is vulnerable to pests and diseases. But if conditions are right, the seedling will thrive, fueled by the sun's energy and the earth's nourishment. As the corn seedling breaks through the soil surface, it greets the world as a slender green shoot. The plant's leaves, initially curled, unfurl and reach for the sunlight. Through photosynthesis, the plant converts sunlight into energy, fueling its rapid growth. With each passing day, the corn plant grows taller and stronger, its leaves multiplying, forming a lush green canopy. The corn plant's growth is a marvel of nature, a delicate dance between genetics and environment. The plant's roots delve deep into the soil, seeking water and nutrients. The stalk, strong and sturdy, supports the plant's increasing weight as it grows taller. The leaves, constantly reaching for the sun, capture the energy that drives the entire process. As the corn plant matures, it prepares for reproduction, developing unique male and female flowers. The tassel located at the top of the plant is the male flower. It releases pollen grains, the plant's equivalent of sperm. Lower down on the stalk, the ears of corn develop, each containing hundreds of potential kernels. Each kernel is attached to a delicate strand of silk, which is the female flower. The separation of male and female flowers on the corn plant ensures cross-pollination, promoting genetic diversity. The wind plays a crucial role in this process, carrying pollen grains from the tassels of one plant to the silks of another. It's a remarkable example of nature's intricate design, where even the wind becomes a pollinator. Section 5. From pollination to kernel formation. When a pollen grain lands on a silk, it sends a tube down through the silk to the ovary, located inside the developing ear. This process, called pollination, fertilizes the ovule within the ovary, which then develops into a kernel of corn. Each silk must be pollinated to produce a kernel. If pollination is successful, the silk will wither and turn brown, while the kernel will begin to swell. The success of pollination determines the yield of the corn crop. Farmers rely on the wind, insects, and even specialized equipment to ensure adequate pollination. The development of the kernels from pollinated silks is a testament to the power of reproduction in the plant world, a microscopic event with macroscopic consequences. Section 6. The ripening corn, from milky to mature. Once pollinated, the kernels on the corn ears begin their transformation. This is a crucial phase in the life cycle of corn. setting the stage for the development of the grain. Initially, the kernels are small and filled with a clear, watery liquid. This early stage is vital for the formation of the kernel's structure. As they develop, the kernels accumulate starch and sugars, causing them to swell and the liquid inside to turn milky. This milky stage is a sign of the kernel's growing nutritional content. Gradually, the kernels lose moisture and harden, transitioning from the milky stage to the dough stage, and finally to the dent stage, where a small indentation appears on the kernel's crown. Each stage marks a significant change in the kernel's composition. The ripening process is a gradual transformation marked by changes in the kernel's texture, color, and sugar content. This visual metamorphosis is fascinating to observe. Farmers monitor these changes closely as they determine the optimal time for harvest. The timing of the harvest can significantly impact the quality and yield of the crop. The transition from milky to mature is a delicate balance, influenced by factors like temperature, sunlight, and water availability. These environmental conditions play a crucial role in the successful ripening of the corn. Section 7. Harvest time, sweet corn versus field corn. The time of harvest depends on the type of corn planted. Each type has its own unique timeline and requirements for optimal harvesting. Sweet corn, the variety we enjoy on the cob, is harvested when the kernels are still in the milky stage, plump and sweet. This stage ensures the corn is tender and full of flavor, perfect for grilling, boiling, or eating straight off the cob. Field corn, used primarily for animal feed, corn syrup, and other products, is harvested when the kernels are fully mature and dry. This maturity is crucial for its various industrial and agricultural uses. The entire ear is harvested, and the kernels are removed from the cob in a process called shelling. This process is essential for preparing the corn for its next stage of use. The different harvest times for sweet corn and field corn reflect their distinct uses. Sweet corn is harvested earlier to capture its sweetness, while field corn is left to mature fully. Sweet corn, prized for its sweetness and tenderness, is best enjoyed fresh. Its delicate nature means it is often consumed shortly after harvest. Field corn, with its higher starch content, is better suited for processing and storage. It can be transformed into a variety of products, from animal feed to corn syrup and ethanol. Both types of corn, however, represent the culmination of months of growth and care, a testament to the farmer's skill and the bounty of the land. Each kernel tells a story of dedication, hard work, and the intricate balance of nature. This concludes our journey from a single seed to a bountiful harvest. The corn plant's life cycle is a testament to the wonders of nature, a complex and beautiful process that sustains us all.